Alright guys, so I know it's been a while since I uploaded anything. Y'all just gotta forgive me, that's how it moves. YouTube is not paying my bills, so I gotta work on the stuff that paid my bills. But on a good note, I received my first payment on YouTube just a couple weeks ago, and it's definitely a wonderful feeling, sense of accomplishment. We got through that first milestone, and now we gotta work to get it to a bigger level. I know consistency helps, but there's a lot going on that I don't put out there. It's on the back end, and y'all just gonna have to stay tuned. But yeah, just to let y'all know, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned with what I got going on a daily basis. It's Bam of Zamunda with the underscores. I'll put it right here. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Wow, smooth bitch. But we're here. My baby's gonna take her graduation pictures. Look. Huh? Huh? You didn't close the garage. You gonna close the garage?
Must be nice. Look at this
right
here. I can't really see his ass. Can you see him right there? No. You see it? He just got his Fox Shocks. He's just like a kid in the candy store. Look at him. Little boy here, man. Zamunda, bitch.
right.
I got these socks in, man. I'm excited to open the box.
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Yep.
You gonna put them on today?
Yep. While we got Dallas here, we got a real mechanic.
They think they know what they talking about back there.
So how we gonna do these?
We doing mine.
You
We
gonna
ain't
have
doing
to
mine today.
manually push it up.
No way.
Anyways,
Yeah.
look, we got some shocks, right? Well, Bam got some shocks.
Yeah, you got to manually push them.
Damn, that's
He's so
gonna suck.
happy.
Yeah.
But we dropped some pieces off at the powder coating place.
Someone can do it.
Lee being
We vlogging today, guys.
We vlogging right now.
Bam said he ain't got time for y'all no more, man. So we vlogging today. You probably not gonna get this till a month later. That's when he's gonna edit.
He's on vacation.
He's on vacation.
A retaining clip for yours?
What kind of retaining clip? The black one? The circle?
Yeah, like a little circle, like little prongs coming off of it.
I might have one.
He needs one of those.
You can't sit under your truck, Dallas.
I can, but it ain't gonna be crisscross applesauce like this one.
Alright, so this one's got is it 2 inch or 3.5 inch leveling kit? 3 inch leveling kit?
Yeah.
On a round body. Hopefully sometime this year, we'll see this up in the air. Sitting with the big dogs.
We about to put some wheel lights on. Well, not me. Bam, I'm just gonna supervise you.
Oh yeah?
So right now, go and take them wheels off. Set them to the side and get to working.
Okay. Yes sir, boss man.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
That's how you gonna be?
So we took some, what did we do today?
We took the lug nuts.
To the powder coating place.
Uh-huh.
And we just found some eyelashes in the driveway.
Piece of light right there.
Your flagpole, bro.
Yeah, we took the flap.
We washed the whip. This one only. This one right here.
It's still clean. All right, guys. So we out here. It's Friday. We got a couple things to do today, but I got something in the mail. Been wanting for a long time now, and we're gonna open this shit up. Dallas, can you hold that? Thanks.
How many boxes did they put this in?
So these are my new shocks right here. Courtesy of Zamunda Fix. Are these the rules?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and open my box for me.
I got you. Ooh.
Damn. Yeah, those will look real good on my truck.
Yes, sir. So this is the 7 to 10 dual resi shocks in the rear. So I'll be putting these on my truck, and then the ones I got on my truck will be going on Lee's truck. Bye-bye. I'm on the bitch. All right, but the main thing for today, we're working on Dallas's wheel lights. They're by MW Customs. It's a retrofitting company, ain't it? Where they sell the accessories.
Yeah.
So pretty standard. You build it, put the brackets on, put the LEDs on, and bye bye. So hopefully we get that done today. It should be. Hopefully it goes smooth.
I didn't realize it was raced up.
Shout out to Pro Eagle.
Try to make sure y'all out of here before I get back.
Okay.
You recording?
Yeah. Watch them out now.
Welcome to the shop. You know what I'm saying?
All right, so we're here making the rings. The dust shield is where the brackets mount to, and on these body styles, the dust shield is a lot smaller than what it is on my truck. So you really, mine uses 3 brackets, but this one only uses 2. And then we're gonna put the LED on there, make sure you clean the surface so the double side tape will stick, and run the wires, and then we'll do the back. All right, so we're about to put on the LED to the bracket. It's good to always have, you see how this is the lead. We're gonna call this the lead. Anytime you put in the LEDs, you need to have them going on the same way on every wheel light. And what I mean by that is you don't want it on one wheel, they're going this way, and the other wheel be going that way. You want it all going the same way. So that way, if it does have a chasing effect or a flow series or whatever, then it would be going in the same direction. Yes, sir. Looks good. Yeah. All right, so if you want your wheel lights installed, make sure you hit me up, Oos, or even Dallas. He'll be a professional by the time this is done. Yep. I'm the truth. Bye-bye. All right, so we did the driver's side front. So we got 3 more to do. We got tied up, played a little bit of basketball, but y'all get it. All right, so we got all the brackets on. Now we about to do the wiring to hook it up to see what it's gonna look like. Ooh, 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 ooh. Boy, look at that.
We got spacers for sale.
Spacers for sale. Let me know. Get at me.
Yup. No, get at me.
Oh,
Oh, them bitches hard. Oh, this is on.
is that other one on?
Good night. That's bright.
And that's just one.
How you feel? How you feel? Look,
I'm happy about that because that's bright as
We
shit.
about to be up a whole nother 24 hours in this bitch.
like a boy in a candy shop. Look at him. That's pretty damn bright.
And that's one.
Yeah, that's one row. So we need more extension wires to run the other one, but this is just one single row, and this is, once we get the double row, it's gonna be hella brighter. Now, can you imagine that with polished wheels? Oh my God. Now, for RGBW, I think this is the cleanest white I've seen. What's up, Carson?
Cheers, bro. This This fool brought a 6-pack. I can't believe you, Snoop.
Bro, that double roll is so bright, it kills my camera. That's a double roll right there.
It's on this one.
Oh yeah, it's a lot
Big
brighter.
difference.
Hell yeah, it's a lot brighter.
Big difference. You like them wheel lights, Carson? All right, we got them all hooked up. Right now it's just a single roll. And he's got to order more extensions. But we did a fucking great job, Dallas. And it only cost you $6.99, so make sure y'all come holler at your boy. I will get you right. And you gotta pay a shop fee.
Yeah, all night custom, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
You see the fuck going on.
And you do your own work.
All night custom and you do your own work.